I'm sorry. I didn't know you were gonna talk. I thought it was me. All of the snow had finally disappeared, and then suddenly, out of nowhere, came this epic storm that was gonna disrupt their lives with 2 feet of snow. It was going to be one for the history books, one to tell your grandkids about. And as usual, the reality was somewhere in between. So today is, what day is this? Wednesday. And we got the storm the storm started on Saturday to Sunday. So now it's been sitting for a couple of days and it's pretty wet. But I do want to shovel a little bit just so the cats can go outside here because they've been so sad now for a couple of days because they've not been able to go outside whatsoever. Other than just on the porch, but it's just too much snow and they're not a fan of the snow. It's all gonna melt the next couple of days anyways, so I kinda just wanna leave it, but I know the cats will appreciate us shoveling, right Brucey? Bruce, I know you want to go there, but we gotta shovel first. Yeah. What are you doing, Brucey? Are you in the window? Hello. You can sit there and just look out the window. Okay, I'm gonna close now, watch out. Oh, watch out! Bruce is behind you. And my guess is this gonna melt now within the next couple of days. So at least like these paths will melt first so they can go to their favorite corner and they can go to that tree. Ahmed, you wanna come and try it out too? Brucey! Are you a snow kitty? Are you so happy now? It's getting warmer. Zoom, zoom! Zoom, zoom! Here come Ma. Come, Bruce! Brucey! Psst, psst. Come! for you, Bruce. There's room for both of you, okay? Bruce. No, don't be a stinker. No, hey, Bruce, that was not nice. That was not nice, Bruce. You guys. Let him be. He doesn't want to play, okay? He's just enjoying the weather. Sorry, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. Bruce, you want to go on your cushion? It's so wet. Oh. Brucey, here. Oops, sorry. Sorry, buddy. Here, I'll take this off. Oops. No, don't bite me, silly. I'm just helping you. It might be a little wet. Not too bad.